want to do some problems from the exercises 21 to 24 from the e-text. Let's start with 21. The information here is compare the three data sets on the right. So this is the first one, I, 2I, 3I. You can click over here to magnify the graph, or you can click here to make a bigger graph. Okay, so the first question is, which data set has the greatest sample standard deviation? So because he's asking for the greatest, I need to identify the graph where the data is spread out the most. And here are close to the center, more closer than here, but it's spread out more. So here the answer is 3I. So data set 3I because it has more entries that are farther away from the mean. That's correct. Next question. Which data set has the least sample standard deviation? Recall that the standard deviation measure how spread is the data from the center. So I want to find the graph showing the least, the smallest, and it's going to be this. Here the data is the position of the data is more in the center than here and from here. So this is spread out the least. So it's graph I. Data set I because it has more entries that are close to the mean. Yes, that is true. And now it's asking how are the data sets the same? How they differ? Well, they have the same mean, but they have different standard deviation. They say that three data sets have the same mean, correct, median, yes, and mode, but have different standard deviations. I think this is the right answer. Let me just check the next one. Option. The three data sets have the same standard deviation. No, that is not correct. The three data sets have the same mean, yes, and mode, but have different medians and standard deviations. No, that is not correct. The three data sets have the same mode, but have different standard deviations and means. No, they have the same means. So option A is going to be the right one. And this is how we complete this question.